All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, where we are proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 low top with 24,000 miles. This white with gray vinyl interior. It's got a wall divider, power windows, door locks, backup camera. Super nice. And best of all, minimum damage around the body. We are calling this car frame. Front bumper looks pretty good, and I'll show you why we're calling it frame. Hood looks pretty good. I do see a little dinghy right there. The rest of it looks pretty decent. Your front driver's steel wheel, and your tire thread is under 430 seconds. I can see it. Yeah, that's it. Just at the line. Can you focus? Focus. At the line of 430 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Does have a little dinghy right there, probably from opening the doors. And on this quarter, we do have a dent from the inside out. That pretty much completes the tour for this quarter here. Your rear driver's rim, very nice. Tire thread, it's under 430 seconds. Indeed, under 430 seconds. You got power windows, power door locks, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. There is a rear divider, as you can see, or rear cage, or whatever the guys call it nowadays. This vehicle does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. I believe the owner's manual is still wrapped up. Got your AM/FM stereo system. You got your AC controls right down below. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 24,580. See backup camera? Boom, backup camera right there. Okay. Keep it moving, keep the light, turn the lights on. Turn on the lights. Light a candle. Rear bumper looks good. Rear doors look good. Check it out, they do open up all the way. Flip. Check this one out. Boom. Alright, this is what one of your doors looks like. The paneling looks good. This is what your inside here looks like. Boom. Nice. Here's the other side. The paneling looks good. Here's why we're calling it frame, folks. Seems to have suffered a hit here, and somebody did some sort of butcher job here to keep that door closed. So there's the reason why. Take another gander at it, another gander, another gander. Somebody would have to do some body work back here, probably just by this rear panel here, and install it, weld it together. Boom, you got a truck. Anyway, inside looks good. I love the LEDs. Pow, pow. They look good. Got a little dent there. There's your rear divider. Nice shot of that one. All right. It's one side. Now it closes properly. You know, that it does do. But, shoot. Break my phone. Did I break my phone? Is this bullshit? Did I break my phone? Hold on 1 second, folks. I did not break my phone. I had to inspect this bad boy. Anyway, the door does close a little awkwardly. As you can see, it's flush. And it should be a small little gap there. All right. And it's kind of sitting on here. So the rear doors do not align properly. Again, that's part of the body work that you would have to do to this vehicle. This quarter here looks good. Here's our rear passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is under 430 seconds. This door looks okay. This door does have a dent here. On this side, boom. This is what one of your doors looks like from this side. Very nice. The paneling looks good. Likewise on this side. And this is what your side cargo area. And here's another picture of what this looks like from the side. Very nice. Door looks good. Here's your rear the other side of the rear of the side passenger seat. The holes, the tears, the rips. Looks good there as well. Here's your your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread It's under 430 seconds. Lights are working, car is running, things are good. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 with 24,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.